Howdy ho there. Do you remember me? Hi, I'm back with more math for you. Pay attention so that you learn. Today we're going to look at numbers and we're going to see how fast you can say these numbers. And I have something special to do at the end of this lesson, so stay right where you are and get ready. All right, Bear, you sit right there. And we're going to let our kiddos look at these numbers. You guys are going to say these numbers as quick as you can. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. You're going to say the number as loud as you can and as quick as you can before I switch the number to the next number, okay? Now, I know you've looked at this one for a while, so you already know this one. What's this number? 52. Now say them faster than Mrs. Parris. Bear, will you hold these? Good job, Bear. Thank you. Ready? Here we go. 46. 28. 40. Do them quickly now. 94. 70. 41. Do them faster than me. 9. 32. 38. Faster than me, kiddos. 55. Can you go faster? 23. Good job. 60. Faster, kids. 36. Faster. 29. Faster. 15. Faster. 97. Faster. 50. 16. Go quicker. 49. 93. 7. 21. 51. 33. 84. Now you should be able to keep up with those. Are you keeping up with those with me? You should be. You should be actually quicker than Miss Parris is saying them. So if you're not, you need to go through and try these again. Here we go. Ready? You ready, Bear? Okay. Get on the edge of your seats. Not that edge, Mr. Bear. Oh, sorry. There you go. Straighten these up. You messed them up, Bear. Here we go. Ready, Bear? Here we go. 34. You should know that one real fast. 2. 96. 78. 90. Are you doing them faster than me? Pay attention. 44. 20. 91. Hey guys, pay attention. Pay attention. I have something fun to do when we're done. Pay attention. 59. Good. I think some of you got that quicker than me. Do this one. 82. Good. 88. What's this one? 5. 73. 73. 10. 86. 86. 70. 9. 79. Pay attention. 62. 47. All right, let's do one more. Let's skip all the way down to this one. 43. All right, today we're going to introduce you to something called number lines. Number lines are something we can use when we do addition. I made several number lines here. Whoops, that didn't go well. I made several number lines here. We're going to look at the addition problem at the beginning. Let's see if I can get this light to move a little bit. Look at this addition number, and then we're going to use this number line to help us. This number line goes from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It goes only to 10, and it helps us do our adding without using fingers. We're trying to think in our head how to do adding without using our fingers. If I can get this off here. Okay, first thing you do is you look at your problem. Your problem is 3 plus 3. So we're going to start at 3 on our number line, right here, 3. Because that's the first number, 3. And then we're going to bounce like a bunny. We're going to bounce like a bunny. We're going to start at 3. Okay, and we're going to bounce how many more? What number is this? 3. We're going to bounce 3 more. So we're going to start right here. Okay, and we're going to bounce 3 more like a bunny. 1, 2, 3. Bunny approved. Okay, so we started at 3. We bounced 3 more. Started at 3 and we bounced 3 more. And what number did we end up on? What number is this? 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Isn't that handy? You don't have to use your fingers to do it. Let's look at our next problem. Next problem is 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2. What's our first number? 8. So we're going to find 8 on our number line. Bunny's already there. 8 on our number line. Okay. All right, Bunny. And how many farther do we go? What's this number? 2. So we're going to start at 8. And we're going to bounce. 1, 2. Where do we land? Right here on this number. What's that number? 10. That's right. So we're going to put 8 plus 2 is 10. Now, yeah, you can do that with your fingers. But isn't it better to think in your head, well, I'm starting at 8 and I'm adding 2 more. 8 was our first number, see? And we added 2 more. 8 plus 2 equals 10. All right, let's try another one. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. So let's put this up here. We're going to start on 4 because that's our first number. See? 4. We're going to start on 4. And we're going to go how many more? 4 more. So we're going to come over here and we're going to bounce 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 bounces ends up on, what's that number? 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Isn't that cool? All right, let's do another one. Let's start up here. 7 plus 3. 7, right here, plus 3. So we started at 7, and we're adding 3 more. 7 and bounce 3 times. 1, 2, 3. We end up on this number right here. What's that number?